want to throw it down?
Sure. Steve and Jake here with Get Torqued. Today we're doing the oil pressure gauge, oil pressure sensor, boost gauge. We ran the lines last time. Today we're doing the actual gauge. A little bit of electrical work on our alternator. That's what we're digging into today then. And we already started. We just got back from the store. We needed some eyelet connectors, and yeah. What size Allen wrench do you use? What's it for?
Battery from Whoa.
What did you do?
I didn't do nothing. You walked away and it went completely.
Someone dropped all the tools in the mud. You ready for your close-up? What are we doing today, Jake?
Soldering some wires.
For what? Why?
Oil gauge.
And why are you soldering them? Why not just crimp them and leave them?
Bad.
Why is that
Very
bad?
bad. Start fires.
Is it because we drive so violently?
No.
We want them to be soldered in there real good.
Of course.
I think you should just grab it with your fingers, yeah.
It's only 500 degrees.
Gotta see your focused face. Oh, it's gonna get cold. Come on.
It wasn't even getting
You want
warm.
me to hold it?
It's a bag.
Now I'm trying to aim the camera and hold the wire. Is that how you want it?
Sure.
Heat up, you little wire. Almost called it a bad name. Oop.
This one's being stubborn.
It's because
Getting
it's
there,
on
starting to
camera.
smoke.
It's camera shy. Oop, that made it slippery, man. Wow, nice. It's a pretty nice wire you got there. That's what we've been redoing. That sensor is so big. The alternator has to go here. So, the alternator. Smells good too. That shrunk real good. That's real muddy. Alright, and those go on there.
Yes.
That's clean, dude. Nice job. I like having electrical work on our shit that doesn't look like I did it. It's nice. It's refreshing.
Well, this is gonna work.
It's gonna work better with the camera in your face.
I don't have a way to cut this.
Oh, there's scissors in the trunk. Here, hold up. Your favorite scissors. I told the world how you like to throw them. Oh man, all the wrenches are in the mud. They're gonna get dirty. That's Scotch tape. Shit doesn't even want to stick to itself.
Joke.
I forgot I was in the middle of tying this whole debacle. You're done with that side?
I am all done over there. Put the alternator in. If you want to tighten them more, you can, but as tight as I can get them.
Oh. You think they'll come loose at all? Probably not.
Let's hope not. Otherwise, we'll lock tight them next time.
Got some new Loctite to try. It's not Loctite. It's not.
He's out of here. How'd you wiggle it up there last time? Just gotta go straight up. Where are we gonna put these gauges inside?
I don't know. Screwed to the dash.
For right now, I think I'm gonna keep all the wires extra long.
Just dropped a washer down there. It went straight down here.
Guess we don't need it anymore.
Just trying to,
Here, let's see it.
I was trying to use the bolt to push the wires out of the way. Now I got the bolt stuck. It's like wedged in there.